Hello everybody, welcome, come on in. My name is Blair McFeet and I'm the CEO and founder of BFM Global Limited that manufacture your BFM fittings. We thought this year, as it's silly season, that we might try doing something a little bit silly. So this year we're going to bake you a cake. So come on into my kitchen. So as many of you know, our BFM flexible connectors are used worldwide to produce a variety of different goods and specialty food products. Many of those ingredients are essential to making all those special Christmas goodies that we love to share with family and friends at Christmas time. So today we're going to do a little baking with BFM. That's right, we're going to prepare you a beautiful, delicious cake using some of our BFM products and looking at some of the products that fall through our BFM fittings every day. So first, let's get set up. I have a very special stainless steel mixing bowl which is made from a 300 diameter BFM spigot. So now let's snap in the BFM flexible connector. Pretty easy. That's going to give us a 100% seal so there's no leakage or mess in our kitchen. Just like in a production plant, messy kitchens are unsafe kitchens. Right, let's get baking. I'm going to be adding some flour, sugar, baking powder, milk powder, cocoa, coffee, cinnamon, and even some ginger. It's a little bit of an unusual recipe, but all of these ingredients are manufactured around the globe with the help of our BFM fittings and connectors because they're perfect for powders, which is just one of the reasons why they're used by 95% of the world's top 20 food manufacturers. Okay, so let's add some Christmassy spices, like for example some cinnamon, some ginger, and perhaps even a dash of BFM blue food colouring to match our beautiful unique blue bands. Now let's give it a shake and see if it leaks. Perfect, no leaks. So let's just snap off the connector. How quick and easy is that? And here it is, ready to go in the oven. Voila! Magic! Our beautiful blue BFM cake is ready. At BFM, we're proud to help bring Christmas to your table. If I can say so myself, that was quite a clean, safe and efficient process. Merry Christmas to everybody and a very, very Happy New Year to everyone. Right now, this looks pretty good.